Hey everybody, welcome to Hodl and Shill. Today is day 23 of our Bitsgap follow along, so we're going to jump right in. So just as expected, we've been talking about it. Bitcoin has dipped down to 48,000. Actually, even earlier today, I think it was at 50 and it dropped right down a couple $1,000s. And so that causes some more extreme fear. And then you take in factors of governments talking about inflation reports and things like that, and typical Friday market shenanigans, and here we are. So overall, let's talk about our profit. Our sum bot profit now is at 38.20, and as of yesterday at this time we were at 3,800. So we have a total of $20 in profit over the last 24 hours. $20 doesn't sound like a lot. However, I'm very proud of that $20 when you think about the bots handling themselves as the market went down. We still made money on the way down. So very good there. Not a ton of profit, but profit nonetheless. And a good example to show you why that's impressive is, let's go here and sort by change. And if we sort by change, look at all of this red. So this change will show you this change also shows you a summary of the coins change. So for example, and that's exactly what we'll do today. For example, this AVAX 3L is down 55%. We're still 28% in profit and overall, and that's been running for 23 days and 8 hours. Doge down 47%. We're still 43.96% in profit after 1 month and 26 days. Bond, we've talked about Bond, and we've talked about Bond, and that is down 35%, and we're still 18% in profit. Our Shiba Scalper, that is down 32%. We're still 4% in profit. So you're starting to see a pattern here. Axie Infinity, this is the Axie Infinity 3L, that's down 25%. We're still 43% in profit. Floki down 16% on a different exchange, still 18% in profit. 13% down on KCS, ADA KCS, 6.33% in profit. So you can see the point that I'm getting at here is that even though these coins drop down in the red, we're still far along enough in profit to where there's nothing really to be concerned about. And that's the beauty of grid trading. That's the beauty of trailing up and down. And that's the beauty of Bitsgap. So very, very pleased with those results. While it is only $20 in profit, I wish it was more. It's better than being in the red. Outside of what I'm using Bitsgap for, a couple of my portfolios are sitting red right now. I'm not going to sell. I believe in the projects that I've invested in, and I know they'll bounce back just because Bitcoin is dropping and taking things down with it. But still, the point that I'm making is that this bot has made money on the way up and down. So very, very happy with that. Let's go with here. Let's talk about our newest bot, and that's where we'll end this part here. So Spell, we started Spell 3 days ago together, and it's at 1.73% in profit. So that's actually really good considering, look at this chart. So this is a great example. We bought it here, it spiked all the way up here, and then look at what it's done. It's all the way down here, and we still made $10 in profit, which is equal to 5% in 3 days. So it's not at the 2%, but it was, and I'm sure that if Bitcoin was just back at 50, this would be even higher than 2%. So we found ourselves a winner with that, and I'm very excited about that. So very, very cool to see that. Let's talk about the prize pool. So yesterday the prize pool was at 41,760. Today it's at 42,100. And we are at 268 of 3,210. We were at 264 yesterday, so we dropped 4 positions. There's only 4 days left. 4 days, 19 hours, and 27 minutes. I don't know where we'll end up in this, in the grand scheme of things out of the 3,200, but I'm proud to say that we've made it to the top 268. And overall, in general, this has been a very good learning experience overall. Aside from the scalpers, just running this follow along for everybody. Super stoked to hear the comments, the positive feedback, the comments of people saying that they've started, comments of people asking questions. Really, really, it's very moving. And so I hope that you continue to watch. I hope that you continue to take action. And thank you for everybody that has taken time to watch these videos. If this is your first time here, I hope that you do subscribe. You can always go back and watch the previous videos, or just hit that bell notification and hear about the future videos that we do on a daily basis with this. And I'm very excited to keep moving forward. I don't think that Bitcoin's going to drop at like an extreme drastic amount from here. People have been buying the dip, like Michael Saylor buying another over 1,000 Bitcoin, and there's a lot of big money that's waiting to do that. So my hope is in the fact that a new cycle has started. We're just delayed and extended, and we'll see what happens. But overall, just $20 in profit to report today, but nothing negative, and all positive things. So very happy with the results that we're seeing here. All right. What we're going to do is we are going to wait until, I don't want to stop any bots. I know we had talked about it. There are some new pairs that are listed on Coinbase that I'd like to check out, but I don't want to stop any of these bots prematurely, and I don't want to stop them while Bitcoin's down, because it's just not necessarily a fair way to end one of these bots, because they didn't start when Bitcoin was down. So we are going to wait and see once things settle. Once the dust settles, we'll go back through here and decide what we want to stop and what we want to start, and where we're at with those bots. So overall, very happy. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments below. Anything that you change, leave them below. If you're running different pairs, I'd love to hear what you're running. Just any feedback. We can all learn from each other in the comments. We can all learn from each other in the feedback. And that's the beauty of a community. That's the beauty of YouTube. And that's the beauty of just follow along. So very happy overall. I'll keep this short and sweet tonight. And let's see what happens with Bitcoin over the next 24 hours, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.